Hey guys, it's Hither Mann here from Fortune Academy, and today we're doing a single day live trading, which is very rare. We did this as a one-off to test. We had a new audience. We wanted to test out whether they're actually really fit for Fortune Academy's lifetime education. So we did a little snippet of a full day trading, and it's called Monday Tactical Trader. So if you're on it, you know that this is a one-off. If you're not, don't worry, because we normally do longer training. And the aim of today is really to understand a couple of fundamentals, which is your trading personality. Yes, most people don't look at trading that way, but it's all about your personality. If your psychology fits the strategy, then you're going to be good in trading. A lot of people just find the strategy, try and make it work, force it in a very unnatural way, and then wonder why they're losing money or they don't feel comfortable with that style of trading, when really it's down to your psychology, i.e. what is your personality type? Are you a risk taker? Are you a thinker or more emotionally wired individual? Are you more about rational technicals, or are you more bigger picture? All of these things matter, because ultimately what it will do, it will mean that you are a different type of trader. Some people are more suited for day trading strategies, i.e. making money, entering and exiting on the same day. Some are long-term traders, i.e. playing a long game but less risk. So we work with all of those variables. We have long, medium and short-term trading, and that's what the aim of today is. And we're going to go live and we're going to play with real money. Demo is not my thing. So guys and girls watching out there, you should know if you do anything to do with trading, you must trade real money. So that's my tips for you today. I hope you learned something. Watch them in action and see what you think for yourselves.
It's been really good, enjoyable today. It's really been good meeting Heather's team and Lee and Henry. They're all very supportive, and they broke down really the fundamentals of trading and gone through some of the psychology and the mindset side of trading. That's definitely what's going to help me the most and continue my training in the future.
It's a high probability. It's never guaranteed. The word guarantee is not allowed. It's actually illegal to use in the financial industry. They cannot guarantee any returns, which is the first way to spot a scam. If someone says, I guarantee 5% every day, all the fake Instagram profiles pretending to be, they guarantee 5%, so if you guys are silly enough to believe that, that's your fault. But guarantee is like the no-no word. So it's always high probability. High probability of, if you do everything right, in a trading strategy, you should be making this or this. Even when we do a setup, a trade setup, there's a high probability of step 1, step 2, step 3 lining up that is going to go this way. That's how our trading strategies work. We don't just say blindly enter. We have step 1, step 2, step 3, check, tick it all off, and that means there's a high probability of it going long, so we'll take a long position. But even then, we know there's a small probability of it going wrong, because nothing is ever 100%. It's not. It's like maybe a 90% chance that this goes up, but there'll be a 10% chance it loses.
Even if you're not starting trading, this kind of information, just to learn, it's like it pushes you to start, because it's so valuable. It's valuable information. It's not like reading a newspaper on the tube or something. It's kind of information that affects your finances on a lifetime. So that's the part I really like. I love to learn. I love education, and that's why when I'm there, you see me taking notes, everything, because I like to learn. The learning process, that's what I enjoy the most. That's why I think I would enjoy trading, because if I was to do the actual live the live account and actual winning and losing money. It helps me learn more.
That's your definition of yourself, okay? Now you have healthy egos and you have bad egos. Now, if your money attachment is directly linked to your ego, i.e. it conflates you or depresses you, like, or what's the word? Decompresses or whatever, shrinks you. Like if you feel good because you got money and you feel bad if you don't have money, you're useless in my eyes as a trader. Like you have got zero emotional control. So the hardest challenge for a trader is actually saying, can you feel the same completely? Can you bring money outside of you? So your ego has none of this. Money is an object that you have control over rather than it controlling you, because that's what happens for most of us. Money is like that puppet string holding us. Like it controls everyone. It consumes people. It literally like suffocates them. If they don't have enough, they're not happy. But it's not bad to have much, you know. I have no problem with people making a lot of money, but as long as you don't feel failure either way. Because are we going to get everything right every day? No, it's impossible. Everyone fails. Everyone's going to lose money at some point, whether it's with trading or from other things in life. But the thing is not to give up.
Being somebody who's very new to trading, I think the psychology part was quite big for me, because it just helped me understand what it's all about and what the numbers and the emotional attachment of that can do to your trading. I've also learned styles, and I've had a great an experience with Hither and the whole somebody to guide you and kind of mentor you through the journey of trading, especially if you're a novice like me. It's really been really useful today.
If you want to play it safe, there are ways to play forex safe, by the way, but you make steady returns. There are ways to make everything more aggressive and make faster money. But it's, you know, you've got an upside and downside to everything. So what I'm telling you now is this is forex. Now what Fortune Academy is doing is making a high risk, high reward investment safe. That's where we're positioning ourselves. Because we're coming in at the angle of, wait there, before you get into this and get trigger happy, let's look at yourself. And when we control the individual behind the charts, we have far more stronger risk management, okay? So, although this is the normal sentiment, this is with psychology not even used. With the psychology in play, Fortune Academy is very confident that we can make high risk investment better. So we trade forex as though it was like it was a bond market, or like it was the equities market. So we can get our sentiment right up there. The kind of traders we create at Fortune Academy are on par with hedge fund traders, bond traders. You can have conversations with these individuals and they will like what they hear from you. But if I didn't teach you it in the way I will, you know, then you would be like every other high risk trader who's just pure gambling. You know, there's a fine line here. It becomes a gamble. We don't want that. That's a gambling mindset. That's why 95% of people lose. So I want to take you up here. And that comes from working on your mindset first. Mindset before money. Remember that.